hello and welcome to another video. So I'm just going to continue from last time, and we looked at warnings. And then let's see. So we have a signal here in the top structure which is undefined. So we get a port mismatch. So here in the top structure, this is on the instantiation, which wasn't properly defined. So I'm actually not copying in anything, I'm just comparing and then removing. So that's good. So let's see the next one, just spin the wheel. Formal port RS does not exist in entity. Now this one was a weird one that I didn't find at first, so I've skipped the video. But here you can see it's missing timer B in the top structure. So it has a timer A there with a source file, doesn't have any timer B. So we'll add that source file. And let's see. Now there's a syntax error near end. And you can see it's there, timer B, but it's not under CIA. So there's something wrong with the source code of CIA. So therefore you get the same mistake again. So I fixed that, but I didn't show this mistake. Now this next error is a string literal that is of size 8. And it's expected to be size 2. So it's too large, and this is the one that is too large. CRB in mode. But I have to look up how to write binary here, because that's what I had done. I've written hex, that's why it says X, so B will fix it. So let's just put B's all over the place there. There you go, let's spin the wheel. What will she show us next? A value is missing in case. Now we are back to that problem I was talking about in the previous video. For case statements, you have to define all statements because CRB start is a standard logic vector, and therefore you also have to include all these other possibilities other than 0, 0 up to 1, 1. Because you can have 3 states. And here we are looking at timer clock, undivided symbol. So we fixed that process, timer B process last time, but I forgot to set phi2 on the rising edge statement. And the sensitivity list on top there. It's going a bit fast, but I added also some signals. So timer A, undefined symbol. Well, we also had this 7 segment thing in timer B, which I hadn't updated. So let's see what's next. Here we have those strobes that I forgot to remove. Yeah, so on the left side we see the way I want it to be, like a register select decoder. I had that on the outside before. That's why it looks like this on the right side in timer B. So just update that to timer B with a case statement. And don't forget the when others. You can see they're very equal, but they are not the same. So there you go, when others, then nothing or null. Okay, so size of concat operation is different than size of target. So that means that there is a target there which is 8, and we have a concat here which is only 5 in total. So all of these are 1 bit each. And what we can do is take and decrease the target size if you want. To 5 bits, but then we will have trouble with whoever is using that target, like at the bottom here. So now let's put it back again. to 7 there, 7 out of 0. So instead I just concatenate 0, 0, 1. So alright, so that's all. I thought it was a lot more, but that's the end of the video. I have a lot of video where I do programming, soldering, and also more with VHDL, but it's in a different format than this screen recording. So that will be up very soon. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye, see you in the next one.